Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to convert to sheet metal. So you can create new design. I will draw rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. After it, if you want to convert this object, you can go to sheet metal tab and then click the convert icon. You can click on the objects to convert and it will be automatically convert. Now as example, you can use bend tools. I will click at this point to bend, click OK, or you can click in another point in the bottom here and use bend tool again. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to convert to sheet metal. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.